Autos Inc. is proud to present this 2005 Chevy Avalanche Z71 4x4. It is dark gray metallic with a charcoal leather interior. It is a four-door 4x4 with a 5.3-liter Vortec V8 engine. This truck is a Carfax certified 2-owner pickup, has a clean and a clear title, and it is a non-smoker. It comes complete here on the exterior with Bridgestone 265/70 R17 tires with 17-inch Cobra chrome wheels. It also features fog lamps, a bed cover, heated mirrors, tint, and of course the factory trailer tow package and cab steps. On the interior, the truck features rear TV DVD entertainment system, power moonroof. It features an AM/FM stereo with 6-disc in-dash CD changer, Bose premium audio, heated leather seats with a driver memory seat, steering wheel controls, climate control, rear defrost, OnStar, power pedals, rear defrost. It does feature HomeLink, rear air, cruise control, remote entry, and of course power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seats, and just a number of other comforts and features. And you can be the next owner of this beautiful Z71 Avalanche. The miles you see are the actual miles on the truck at the time the listing was created. This truck is a Carfax certified 2-owner pickup and again has a clean and a clear title and is a non-smoker. It's a great smooth shifting transmission, quick starting, powerful 5.3-liter Vortec V8 engine. The tires on the truck are in great shape. They've got a very long tread life left, and this is your chance to purchase it. It's very nice 2004 Chevy Avalanche Z71 4x4. We've got it at a great price. The truck has been very well looked after, as you can see, both inside and out, and make a great purchase. The truck is available for sale at any time. If you have any questions or you're interested in purchasing the truck, give us a call today at 888-629-9990. We'd love to get it for you. Love to earn your business. Up next, you can hear the truck start, hear it idle, and see it drive. Give us a call today. Thanks.